today. Here's a look at what you can expect for your high temperatures. We have 48 for Medford, 46 for Klamath Falls, 49 to Yreka. Into Mount Shasta, we have 46, 46 for Lakeview. Grants Pass will be at 47. And along the coast, 51 for Brookings. A few areas will be breezy throughout today. We can expect that into higher terrain places along the coast and into the Shasta Valley. But where we really have our eyes on is going to be over the next few days through our Christmas. And our next storm system arriving is going to be Tuesday into your Wednesday. We can expect more rounds of rain, mountain snow, and also some gusty winds along with it. So talking about that rainfall first, through our day today, it is going to be on the drier side, with the exception of areas near the coast. We'll see more of those showers linger a little bit longer. They will be light in accumulations. And then inland, we'll see mostly cloudy to partly cloudy sky conditions. Clouds increase in again as we switch over into our Tuesday night, and that's when our next storm system arrives. Notice we'll start to see that rain and some higher elevation snow start as we're into Siskiyou County. That's going to work its way inland throughout our morning, and then as we switch over into your Tuesday night, that's when we're expecting more of that heavier rainfall to come down into our Wednesday as well. Now, with that being said, we also are going to be seeing some lower snow elevations, and that does come between anywhere from about 3,500 to about 5,000 feet through this system. With that being said, they are going to be a bit lower this time into Siskiyou County. So we do have a winter weather watch in place for areas above 4,500 feet in Siskiyou County. That's starting at 4 a.m. into your Tuesday, lasting until your Friday as well. Now, in terms of how much rainfall we are expecting, where we're going to keep a close watch on is into southern Siskiyou County, especially that Mount Shasta area where we are expecting to see quite a bit of rainfall over the next few days. And if you do shift a little bit lower into northern California, we're seeing lots of flooding from this atmospheric river, and that'll continue as we work through our week as well. Now, in terms of wind, it is going to be picking up, especially into your Tuesday night through your Wednesday. Take a look at the Shasta Valley. We'll have to keep a close look. Those gusts could reach up to about 60 miles per hour. We'll see that into higher terrain areas east side. And then you notice it is going to be rather windy into the Rogue Valley as well. Breezier conditions will be with us along the coast, but throughout your Tuesday night could be a little bit windier as well. Because of this, we do have a high wind watch in place for areas east side and into the Shasta Valley, where we could see those gusts up to about 60 miles per hour. We'll likely see changes to this as they'll get upgraded to either some warnings or advisories across the region. Now, when it does come to rain into the next few days, like I mentioned, it is going to be active through your Christmas week. That does mean we'll have to keep a close eye on past travel over the next 7 days. But here's a look at your 7 days for the coast. It is going to be rather wet and windy as we end out our week. Over into northern California, we'll continue on with that wet weather with some heavier snow expected into higher elevations starting this week as well. Over into the Klamath Basin, rain and snow will be likely. We can expect higher accumulations though into the Cascades, where we'll see more of that snow falling over the next 7 days. And then finally back over into the Rogue Valley, it is going to be wet. Expect those winds to pick up as they switch over into your Wednesday and onto your Christmas as well.